Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Buick Enclave Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z7676A. 42,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, white frost in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player, rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, and power lift gate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This Enclave has advanced safety features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, this premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, pages. That's also where you set the forward collision alert, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. 3-zone temperature control. Heated as well as cooled front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and moon. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.